Ambulance wa? Namesale.
Ya Kagwala. Kagwala.
Ndio kuja kusema 10. Kisha tu kutoka.
You are still, she's coming. You are still developing this.
Yeah, that's what they were saying. That they have complete.
That's what they were talking about. The dock is not yet complete.
Yeah. In fact, the main one is supposed to be there.
Tanzanians and Ugandans. Njagala muzukulu wange abere kumpi. Kubanga wakirwanirira kino.
For the disabled people,
they
can come in here.
Are you going to start driving?
Yeah, I want to have a maiden trip for those who are interested.
But for us, for me,
it could have been shorter, but because of COVID. Yeah. This is engine 2. There are 4 engines.
So on behalf of the President of the Republic of Uganda, it is my honor to officially commission it is BKK1 and 2 officially commissioned for God and my country. President bwasuubiza atuukiriza olwaleero tewali kulanga kulala era saagala saawulire saategedde ekidyeri president kye yasuubiza kitandise olwaleero ng'ennaku z'omwezi 20 omwezi ogwokubiri kigenda kuva wano e Bukungu tugenda Kagwara tugenda Kabera Maido Kagwara Kabera Maido Bukungu Kagwara Kabera Maido Bukungu twagala nkulaakulana twagala mutambuze ebyamaguzi twagala mwekulaakulanya abantu baffe ku lwa Uganda yonna Mukama yeebale.
Amina.
Thank you.
Hello. We are about to start. As you can see, we are starting. Kagwara Bukungu. Kabera Maido. Kagwara, we are going. Where are you? We are starting now. VIPs have sat. The first deputy prime minister is inside. Make sure the ministers are resting in the other corner. Kagwara, Kagwara.
I was here in 1990 when the president made this pledge. I was present here. So it's something I've been talking about all these years and campaigning to ensure that it happens. So I'm really, really happy that has happened in our time. Ajanga tsenjire serere oko ojire kutwala yoki. Ojire kuubira abantu baserere. Ojire just kwayo nabo. Otokuba n'okyo kutwala yokutunda. Otwali kyotunda ere oire ne sente. Aiti kukoba tulina oluguudo olw'obwerere feri inungi ino. So when planning ebyo byo kutunda esoroti ni balo besoroti obona baide batunde ebintu. Aho kidatuyamba. Ngaba bakobeire oluguudo natutera okulukola ayenga at least bali kulugolola ndubise mu ngandi ku.
This project government of Uganda has so far invested in 42 billion Ugandan shillings. This is not a loan. This is of government of Uganda budget. It is going to solve people's time. At the same time, it will reduce the money they have been spending going to Kampala, because they cut a lot of distance to reach Kampala. It carries about 1.5 hours to the other side of Serere. It's not a very long time, and we have all the staffs on board. I thank the contractor. Ate webetika ferry tegenda kubuuza ani yawagira Museveni, ani yawagira NRM, ani atawagira. Buli muntu ayingira mugenda kutambula bagende Kagwara bamulaba agenda kulonkinga mwe mutuule ebatwala. Ate ferry ya bwerere si ya sente, si ya kusasula.
8 districts across Busoga, Teso and Lango. The ferry strengthens the regional integration and market access. Infrastructure must connect producers to markets and bind our country more efficiently together. Strategic infrastructure developments such as this are strengthening Uganda's expanding economy, projected to reach approximately $68.84 billion by June 2026, positioning the country's family on the path towards middle income status. Today, we commission the MV BKK-1 ferry into operation, a strategic investment in connectivity, productivity, and national transformation. This milestone advances the 2021-2026 and 2026-2031 NRM Manifesto pledge to achieve high income status through modern infrastructure. Progress we see today is built on that foundation. Infrastructure must serve production, and production must serve wealth creation. The MV BKK-1 and 2 ferries is not merely a vessel. It is an economic instrument. It will reduce the travel time between Buyende, Kaberamaido, and Serere from about 8 hours by road to approximately 1.5 hours by water under normal operating conditions. That reduction in time lowers transport costs, reduces post-harvest losses, accelerates trade, and increases income for farmers and traders of Buyende, Kaberamaido, Serere, and other neighboring districts. This is my second time.